Come with me to design my garden with using ChatGPT AI's help. I want English cottage garden like this. It's on a garden on a roll. So they normally send you, the flower like this, and then you have a template and you display and then you grow. It's for a beginner. And if you see, there are like a 3 layer of flower. One is climber, and then the second line is your 3 to 4 feet flowers, and then there is a bedding. The problem with this one that I don't know about the fragrant. I'm very particular that I need my flowers to be scented, because if I'm spending money, I rather spend for a very good reason. Because I did so many places, couldn't find anywhere. So this is why I asked to find me, English cottage garden design for with the all year round, and a flower should be there for all year round, and it should be fragrant. So this is what they recommend me. It really some good tips. Then I said, okay, can I have a shopping list, and can you give me a link to buy? So yeah, they gave me a link to buy, and then I think I'm still not satisfied. I still give so many instruction, and at the end I think I said I needed ask ChatGPT to do budget for me for all the all the flowers and everything. So she budgeted, and then I said, can you create a design? So this is the design ChatGPT created for my garden, but I didn't like this either because this is 1 meter. Then I said, okay, I need a bigger size. So I think it did a bigger design. Yeah, this is the one with the climber. This is 4 meter long, 1 meter wide, and this goes so 12, I think 14 fragrant flower, and it will be all year round. So I will have all year round flowers. So this is what give me, and then ChatGPT give me a link to buy, and then how much it will cost. So I have one particular link. So the most, and these two link, one of my friends also suggested the David Austin roses. So if you open David Austin roses, is a very, I think this is like as I understand, and I heard from my friend, he's like a pro in a gardening, and he told me that he spent 1 month of his salary of the year just for gardening. So he quite a garden. So he said to me that David Austin roses are exclusive, and when I see there is a Trustpilot and everything, I say, okay, then let's buy it. So I bought this, and I bought another 3 type of roses. What is it? But I bought this one. And then another website also suggested by my friend, that is this one, Corcos. And here you can see the lily of valley, and there are quite recommendation. So I need to buy like 4 different type of flower from if I'm pronouncing right. So this is the one, and if you go on down below, you can see how is the height, which year, how many months it will stay. I think this is the winter tree. It will be fragrant during winter. So that's the winter one. Yeah, there's a winter bloom. And then I bought this one already. This one, I think this is a bedding. It's stay until your feet. I think the plant size is very small. Yeah, it's like a bedding one, but they are very fragrant too. I think I spent around £300 worth of flower, but if I can plant them and if they can stay whole year round for 5 years, I'm happy with it. I think it's worth it, because I rather spend something that give me value rather than I spend only on look. I'm very particular with my money. I need to get the full value of my money every time I spend. So yeah, I couldn't get this because this is sold out, and I put the notification. This is as well, again, you read it by yourself. I cannot pronounce this. So that's the one. And this is a spring bloom. So spring is actually all kind of flower bloom in a spring. You don't have to be really worried. And this one, the wildflower mix. And also I order cosmos, chamomile. I have ordered, I think, a few other, quite a lot of seeds from this website. And yeah, David Austin, I ordered 3 roses, which is 100 pound, I think 33 pound per roses. I did climber, what do you say, let me find it if I can find it. Yeah, I did climber, and I did this one, I did Gabriel Oak. I did, I think, 2 pink, one is red, one pink, and one white, peach white. That is a climber. I will show you one is here, once is here. And then lavender, I didn't order lavender because I already bought lavender. If you see in my video, it's there, 6 small lavenders there, and I prefer to go to the field and buy lavender from there, which I'm planning to go. And then Claire Austin, again, I think this is also exclusive place to buy your fragrant flower. Have I bought this? I don't think I bought this. I think I need to buy this. Okay, I will see once it's here if I buy it from here or not. Then there were this nursery, Burn Choice. And yeah, here, from here, you will find RHS awarded garden married flower. I think I bought this or not. I think I have, because I followed everything ChatGPT said. Let me see if I bought it. No, I didn't. I need to order this. So this is one. I think I did not, because of if you see, delivery charges are 13 pound, but if I order, I think, 11 more pound, then maybe my delivery cost will be free or something like this. So I'm waiting to get a few more recommendation. Maybe I will order some fruits from here. They are very good nursery as well. You can see they're mostly awarded side and very good. This side also recommended my friend as well. Sarah Avian, again, this one was, I bought 100 pounds worth of flower from here, from this website. I hope they're good. And they have very incredible. Oh yeah, I bought this one. I bought all the herbs. I bought this edible flower. I bought a marigold. So many things. I bought from around minimum 100 pounds from here too. I know I'm crazy. When I do shopping, I shop like a crazy. I don't see the prices. That's why I don't do shopping much. And I think I did not order this. I did not. Yeah, no. I think I did. Yeah, and then I ordered this one. Farm Gate is best for lilies and tulip. They're very good and have been highly recommended by several places. I heard to order lilies. I will try to go there and buy lilies, because lily is my favorite flower. And also they're out of season. I cannot order now. They're all out of season. I'm going to buy some from Dulux collection, and it's my favorite flower, and I want to have at least like quite a few variety. I think I put a red, no, it's not here. I put a white and black lily. It's called Midnight something, that lily called, yeah, this one, Night Rider. So these two is my preference, but they're sold out. So I will probably try to go visit the nursery to find out, the smell and everything. Lily have very strong smell. I buy from, I think, Tesco for my house, and they're incredible. This is my favorite flower, lily. From bulb to bloom. It's incredible. So yeah, and this is what they said. ChatGPT said I'm gonna spend on. I think it is around 130 pound, 163 pound. Trust me, it's not 163 pound. I have spent 300 pound because I bought so many other seeds and other plants. Like I bought 3 type of roses, but here it says roses I can take from like a £5.95. It's not £5.95. I bought the plants. I did not buy the bare root because I'm not really confident. Although my husband will be doing this plantation, but again, I bought. This is me. I don't do shopping but when I do, I go crazy. So yeah, this is what is the plan for now. I done the shopping is done. I'm just showing you guys. So this is the plan. You can see it's a really beautiful. So use ChatGPT if you are new for anything. It's worth it. And can you imagine if I'm able to clementines? Yeah, I ordered clementines as well, I think. No, I need to order it. So if I can do the exactly like this my garden, can you imagine how beautiful it will look, and no one will know that I'm amateur. So yeah, use it guys, it's incredible. Bye. So till then, I will show you next in my next video what arrived. I should receive my artificial grass. I'm gonna give you update on everything. Thank you very much. This is quite a long video, but it's a very helpful, if I think so. Bye.